Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use Kling AI free credits to create high quality AI videos step by step. If you've never heard of Kling AI before, it's one of the most powerful AI video generators available today. It can transform text prompts into realistic videos and even animate images with impressive motion and cinematic effects. Let's get started. First, visit the Kling AI website and create a free account. Once you sign up, you'll receive free credits that can be used to generate videos. These credits refresh periodically, allowing you to keep creating content without paying immediately. After logging in, go to the video generation section. Here you'll see different creation options. For beginners, the easiest method is text to video. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. Instead of writing something simple like a dog running, be more descriptive. For example, a golden retriever running through a green field during sunset, cinematic lighting, realistic motion, ultra-detailed, professional camera movement. The more details you provide, the better your video will look. Next, choose the video duration and quality settings. If you're using free credits, start with shorter videos to maximize the number of generations you can create. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let Kling AI work its magic. Depending on server load, it may take a few minutes to process your video. When the video is finished, preview the result. If you're not satisfied, don't worry. Small prompt adjustments can make a huge difference. Try changing camera angles, lighting conditions, or movement descriptions for better results. You can also use image to video mode. Upload a photo and ask Kling AI to animate it with realistic movement. This feature is excellent for social media content, YouTube shorts, and creative storytelling. And that's it. Now you know how to use Kling AI free credits to create amazing AI videos without spending money. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me what kind of AI videos you're planning to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.